Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have the repo and a running Vue app. Now start by installing Axios and creating a simple service file. Create services/API. JS, set the base URL from an env-var, and export an Axios instance. Once done, add common headers like authorization and content type so requests stay consistent. This reduces repetition and makes later changes simple. Make sure to git commit this initial service so you can iterate safely while wiring components to call the API. Now wire the API into a component. Import your service and call methods from mounted or from setup using a sync/await. Set a local loading flag before the call and clear it after. This gives instant UX feedback. Parse and normalize response data so the template can render predictably, then assign it to a ref or reactive object. Once data flows correctly, extract repeated logic into composables to reuse across components, and keep templates focused on display. Finish by adding error handling, retries, and request cancellation so slow networks don't break the UI. Provide clear user messages for validation and server errors, and centralize retry logic in the service. Once complete, run integration tests and check cores and env config in production builds. If calls fail, first inspect the browser network tab and response codes, then verify base URL and auth token. This single troubleshooting step usually reveals misconfigured env or missing headers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.